How to turn on new followers notification on your TikTok account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just open TikTok as you see, and then when your TikTok is opening, you will go to profile, and then when you open your profile, go to this three line here, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to notification, and then go to new followers and turn on this option by clicking here, and that's it. Make it look like this in blue color, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.